Take my life, I lay it down at the cross.